I'm DG from Plomor. Every LC250 owner knows that the stock skid plate is much useless once you hit a real trail. Between the flying rocks and jagged obstacles, one bad hit can easily punch a hole in your oil pan or wreck your transmission, leaving you stranded. We had some requests to develop chassis protection for the LC250, so we listened and got to work. Today, I'm checking out the Plomor Aluminum-Magnesium Skid Plates, our solution to keep your underbody protected. These are made from an aluminum-magnesium alloy. They are lighter than steel alternatives. We kept the raw metal finish instead of using a fancy coating. This way, if you get a few scratches on the trail, they won't be obvious and it's much easier to maintain. We offer two versions, 3/16 and 5/16, so you can choose based on your load and terrain. Look at here, we add stiffening ribs at key strength points for extra strength. The kit covers the radiator, engine, transmission, and transfer case. I want to be upfront. Our alloy plates are designed for weight saving and daily durability. If your build is focused on extreme rock crawling with heavy impact, I still recommend a steel skid plate for maximum structural rigidity. For the LC250, Plomor is all about that bottom lifestyle. No cutting, no drilling, and zero permanent molds. It uses all the factory mounting points, so it's a super clean install. It's pretty straightforward, but definitely grab a buddy to help you out. It will make your life a lot easier. First, pull off the stock skid plate and the radiator support beam. Get those brackets mounted up with the M8x30 bolts, but keep them a little loose for now. You will want that wiggle room. Next, line up the front of the skid plate with the factory holes and insert the M8x30 bolts. Then, align the rear with the bracket holes using the M10x25 bolts and tighten everything down in sequence. For the rest of the plates, it's the same process. Just keep an eye out for the ones that need the backing nuts. You can reach through the adjacent holes to get them aligned. Once everything is lined up, go ahead and torque down all the hardware and you are good to go. When you are out on the trail, it's not about just smashing through obstacles. The real job of a skid plate is to help you glide over them. You can see here, even on this gnarly terrain, it stays rock solid against the chassis. No rattling, no cheap metal clanking, just solid protection. Undercarriage protection is personal. Everyone has different needs, so choose a solution that works best for your specific setup. Plomor is designed to provide the protection you need while balancing weight and value. You can find all the specs, weight data, and fitment info in the description below or directly on our site. What's your biggest focus when it comes to your LC250 build? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. I'm DG. See you guys next time. Bye bye.